party me FDC gubere ka choke ma megi mano obedo in Zambia ka choke eno kartinyo tum king kuko no nyar ma dwong la wo atela ma megi ma chanda dit kiza besije ubere kara me nyako lok nyobere ka choke ma megi mo bere ka tonga ento ben kitung kuchel party president makum kara ne makilo nyene Patrick Amriat bo bere ki kero me bere ki ka choke ma mege watie ki report eni America wanen ko manok kada ko diko nyak loke wani ket pat
that there is no power in parliament. He doesn't care whether you are in fact he wants us to be in parliament to legitimize government. Say but you also win elections, you are also there, you know. Why do you complain when you are defeated? You are also there. So he doesn't he actually wants us to be in parliament, provided we don't seek to remove him, provided we are good opposition.
Kachoke meching bar jama kilo mo ber kilo tela madome party FDC Rome district man megikome meki gin mia piario ni kilo nimono national consultations meeting ekin mok make oye ayene kriye mo president me party men matikarni amoria tobo gen kikaran mameke nandala mafabi Ajoke man won come obedo won come party FDC waswa birigwa go wani pere tekniki nene kichungu kone miri pa party man la bon par pe lo komlim ento tel ma pigitego umir betie Ijario ena wajibot New Vision ni mono gin mekenene pere tek loyo ayobir article na mapiari pa party FDC man pentik mamegi machimu ni mono National Council au miro nong report kibot nek kadong ben gin ye moko biek limpa party kijemo ken mapigi tego menene gin go telo nek ento man duju patika time.
Honorable Uganda appeared at that meeting in Masaka for 10 minutes and he returned to Kampala. It means he was coming to show face. If he was a serious leader of this party, he would have soldiered until the end and listened to the affairs and grievances of the party members. And I want to believe that those meetings were actually giving him an opportunity to bring all those related, election-related complaints that he is now bringing now in 2023.
Ingaila jen ichia dekio diko lutela mukene me party FDC ikela makbandere kima chonpe bela tele boman Dr. Kiza Besije ologo matut pingo enel ni teltika bino maditi kompatiman ikani eni.
In the liberation system, the approach is different. The approach is that all of you are encumbered by the same problems that will not allow you to flourish. And therefore you must unite and first get rid of that problem before you can create a democratic dispensation and then be able to compete. This is what up to date political parties have not come to terms with. And I have continuously sounded the warning that if we continue as we are, all political parties will indeed be captured, will be taken over by the construction that I have pointed out. And as you know, as we speak, no, in fact, Mr. Museveni himself was bragging way back that there will be no opposition political parties by 2021. Everybody is familiar with that assertion by Mr. Museveni. No political parties by 2021. So we must congratulate ourselves that we are still at least here talking about FDC and struggling, because we are not meant to be. So, you may want to investigate what happened to UPC, what happened to DP, and what will be happening to others. The same dynamics. similar dynamics.
La tela moken mapierete akite party FDC mabeno logo mateka yobedo Dr. Arias Lukwago mwaini mon eno pemia luoko la winy pa party FDC diamata ento inel ni nek de karmano towago dok pekitiki nero meken maromo konyo party man piyeni dan mapol dongitika chama ye kom party man pekiparo owego tela madit men National Executive Council pa party FDC Romoto.
Dr. Chita Biasiga was a presidential candidate and we were very well funded. I want to state I was the Deputy Treasurer General. I have evidence and information.
Eno wan medical ka choke mama dit meneni party ni gilotel ne guniang kero megiti kwen ngomi or kitim kidong beneni kikelo ka choke madit pelotela madong me party man ikine ayewo bedi lo ko president me party man pika bena party Uganda wegi ko me party ni ka chetke won ko me party man I Roma Uganda lo karan madit kedong lo ko re ko duju kilo memon moko cheken piario magiti te party man no duju kenyama be lok matie ite party FDC.
The approach is different. The approach is that all of you are encumbered by the same problems that will not allow you to flourish. And therefore you must unite and first get rid of that problem before you can create a democratic dispensation and then be able to compete.
For any organization to strive, there is a need to have one central command. Today the FDC finds herself having two competing centers of power. One residing at number 6 Katonga Road and the other at Najanankumbi. Both these centers of power are fighting for the same political space. We are going to be trying to work within a very short time to narrow the gap between the two in order for us to work in harmony.
Pikombedi fudong kong wambo kon meneno ngoma party man mono karcha tekto twale ubutimo menene kikelo teleika chel kate gibi poko nyobene pere duju wabinene kany kor kikore peloga ngemo chinyi e waluo television ania sande akumo.
Avoid it while Sanda Kumo me yupo iwa report and part telepa FDC ni no I didn't see it coming. Chabira eni tukitumo wa mera tuwa ke telema no pe watame u chakta u chort grassroots yenyo campaign pa megi pelote dero ukelo tele la penya no ni la dir kiza besija ubirna la chuma teko twal me yero Patrick Oboy Amoriat. So don't can address marketing team at two different places. Kelu la pen badwong. Kiguma bene la iwani honorable Gil Baralaja o Beruti studio. Particular pen badwong ma wa mer pen work enotet iwa kor ngoma tikati mekono.
Atamne luor tie ema. Luor matie ni fraction jono gubera wachene la chinja go karni pati ka ye tika biono koma en ko beru dwong. Joma telo tele, joma mero chung, amuri ato boy pingi kono food mero chung, nyope mero chung. Era ketika chimwangi ni en ketika wot gininga inandara mafabi. Aya Dr. Besi Jekany magen ketika tonga ni kwa ni en tika wunye kinga semunju Uganda ki Arias Lukwago gi. Amero wachini any bene is good in democracy. PM art ke come down bene yakaya. Peti art ngaro down pelo ye.
Le mwono wachini conflict is inevitable.
Yeah, you can't avoid.
And how do you solve conflict?
Exactly.
That's what sets you apart.
That's gonna don't tell permanent and PM komberike nero conflict matieni art pajenti katan. Matek. Jomu vore art magiti art kumberi go chua. PM don't peron vote. No mi cer ka tiyo ko keta ke ko de art we kort po mede ke dia ko jomati art.
Kono ka chele me wi art kono jo kana wat ko
go is their problem. And at the moment, I didn't expect. I didn't see it coming. My assumption of what is going to happen. People get sharing, there's jubilation, dano karo chama there.
La kori lok me chimo wang ni chena kiti poko ne ken dano ne bene. Piti ngaro matika katika waji kama leng ni chena ki poko nyo agam nyo ene be allegation no mete honorable Gate Barolanya ko gamiwa.
No, geno karo mere ma generally ko statement ma mo bot besije wachi ni political monetization is the problem. In politics.
Gonyo kile wachuri.
Ne chui we bie ma chena ke kanati yeni ene te per ma dit.
Chena neno aki kwana gena chalma chelo.
Gen imunyo kita la tela chelo wa ikani during Besige's time they were well funded. Now joma ngigero ni Besige karwati office no pick yellow ge. Ento kumbeti madong politics dano take ten gari arioni. Besige mete ki loke ana munyo statement no weng la wo. Tu wachini pingo kiri video ni munyi gero wajo ni Museveni pitike pega moy ken ka ngar moy ken mer cher ka chung texit met dan wo be di parliament piem ngeni parliament pe ki ker matiati so with the down to parliament you down to pay parliament and ker chene but ye mio even accepts to fund opposition ni anyway once since he can fund opposition to be the parliament and opposition mate parliament pol loñ me kwañu komme
igi kama an la penyam an machalo la te der ma pange lo ko me chuyi bie abi penye ne ka don wan don wogi wa machalo Besige don tika bieno ka te ko wan loñ matie iki ken wan pingo address ni pote me ma wan wen ki gor wi wa wen ka chelo address ni pedak pingo te me katonga kama dak no address mo kente time ina jana kumbi no mir ki go jone weng we are a chel ka endo loket gu chem wang amuriat u chem wang nga u kwago chem wang mafabi u chem wang wakene ana de ni I'm in charge and for a way wu dak an a chwa won weng kama bal ma che abi chem weng kama yu wone abi no cheng era
eno we ko an bana peji kana ni kake wajeno kitika yopo ka chwa ka chala mala wu ni Besige mulu tigi office katonga lucho lo ngayo tiaro kono amoriat obedo ki meeting e office pa FDC ke come kama pen FDC tie ina janankumbi so you can't blame amoriat in any case PM anate gang ma yini wera ye ena ana lo ye dano donc yini ngi kama gang tie ke groupe no mer gene go choke ki bora if any reason ni chala ken gang na wachini pingo go beri katonga pingo pe ko duwe mata ko chere na jana kumbi
so ki par ka gumu kaiwa honorable Gate Barolanya bu o kan chawa adek no jo beri studio ka gam we ne manaka che gumu ka